What you just got in the mail, a tell easy, bitch, a tell easy, easy, but breezy. I do these dirty bum bitches real breezy. I do these dirty bum bitches real breezy. I do these dirty bum bitches real breezy.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, Keeping Up With Q. So from the title of today's video, you guys can tell I'm going to be telling y'all how I secured a Telfar medium white shopping bag. So before we get further into this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you think about it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join the Q Mafia because I'm lit, y'all lit, so we be lit together, period. Now let's get into it. So around like last week, I believe, the white medium shopping Telfar bag was released at 9 o'clock in the morning, and your girl got the bag. Like, y'all, I didn't know like the method that I came up with was gonna work. I don't know if this is something other people do and it hasn't worked for them. Like, I don't know, but I'm just coming to tell y'all my story. So if you want to try it and it works for you, like, you know, you let me know. But yeah, I want to show y'all the bag, tell y'all what I did, and, you know, kind of give a little feedback on it, a little insight, because I have like used the bag already. When I bring it out, I gotta do the TikTok real quick.
What you just got in the mail, a tell easy, bitch, a tell easy, but breezy. I do these dirty bum bitches real breezy. I do these dirty bum bitches real breezy. I do these dirty bum bitches real breezy.
Y'all, I love that TikTok, and I actually made a TikTok to it, so y'all need to go check that out. But when it comes to the mail, from what I've been seeing, like, everybody's box has been different. Sometimes it's been labeled different. I don't know if over time it has changed or whatever, but like your box may look different. But when I opened it, the actual plastic does have the symbol on it, which I thought was really cute. And then when you take this out, you still have a bag, which I'm going to keep, and it has the symbol on it as well. I did get the medium size, and at first I was scared because I did see it on Instagram and hers did look kind of big. Like, it did look kind of big, and I was like, the small, between the small and the medium, it's like the small looked a little too small, the medium did look kind of big. But I love the medium, and I'm so happy, so happy that I got the medium. So you take it out, and if I can get this thing out. Yeah, you take it out, and the bag is just like this. Of course, you know, the symbols in the front. Yes, you have your two handles in the middle, your two on the side, which is how I typically wear it, and then you have like this little, you have the magnets in the middle for it to go together easily, you can see. And then on the inside, I do still have like two things in here, but on the inside it has the Telfar symbol with like a huge, nice little good size zipper pocket. The inside, y'all, like, it's the inside for me. This thing is deep and it's really big, like really big. So you can fit a lot of stuff into this bag. Like, if I wanted to go to the library or something, like a local library, or go to a park somewhere and do work, or Starbucks or something, I definitely can fit my MacBook in here. Like, I had my phone, my keys, my AirPods, I had my edge controller, my edge brush, my camera, my wallet, my CarMax, y'all, lotion. Like, I had so much stuff in here because there's so much space. And then you also have like the pocket area, because I did put like the keys and all that stuff in the pocket area because I wanted to make sure I could grab that. But this bag has so much space. With the white though, of course you have to be real cautious because you don't want to get this Telfeezy dirty. But y'all, if you're thinking about getting a Telfar bag, I would highly recommend getting one because it's great quality, it's black owned, and y'all, like it's just the quality for me, like the quality. These bags came out to be, I spent $216 after tax, and I don't think we had to pay for shipping. I want to say shipping was free, but if not, I paid $216 altogether. Like, y'all, I'm in love with it. But let's go ahead and give a little detail about what I did. So this release was on a Wednesday. From what I've been seeing, it has always been on a Monday or a Wednesday. And y'all, it's always going to be a lot of people that are going to try. Whether you see a lot of people talking about it on social media or not, like, people are going to try, because I know I didn't talk about it and I tried. So like, that goes to show you, you don't know who's about to try, so you have to be up and you have to be ready. So for me, I did wake up at 8:50. So I woke up at 8:50 and I'm like, okay, do I want to be that person that's gonna pull up like my computer and my phone, or do I just want to go with my phone? And you know, you got this. So when I did plan this, I did just save my phone. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna just go on my phone, because I feel like that's kind of too much by having a computer, a phone, or having like other stuff going on. So I personally say just have your phone. When you go on there, which I probably can tell you now what it says exactly, because there's a bag that drops tomorrow that you might try for, but when you click on the bag, it will say coming soon or whatever. So as you're on there at 8:50 or whatever time you decide to get up, it will still say coming soon, coming soon. So I decided the night before I was going to use my shop pay to check out, and y'all, this is, I really feel like this is what helped me, because yes, you can get on the night before and fill out your information on the website, but when I did that, I realized it didn't let me pre-save my card information. So I went on the shop pay app and I went ahead and filled out all of my information. It had my phone number, my address, my billing address, my debit card information, like everything it needed was filled out. So when it was time for me to refresh my page at 9 o'clock, at first, y'all, it still said coming soon, and I hurried up and refreshed it again and it came up. So it already has the quantity put on there for you, because I think you can only get one. So as soon as it changes, I added it to my cart, and when I was getting ready to like go to the next step to do my shop pay, it said I was in line. So I was like, okay, this is either the make it or break it moment, because once you are put in line, like, you cannot leave. If you leave, you're basically put to the end of the line. So it's like, this is the make it or break it moment. When I was able to get in, having shop pay, I literally just was able to press confirm. Like, I knew my information was right and I had the bag. Like, at first I was so like nervous. I'm like, it should not have been that easy, like, at all. Like, I feel like I'm gonna get an email like, okay, we ran out of bags. Like, no, that same day my bag shipped out on that Wednesday, and I had my bag by that Friday, and I have my Telfar, like, y'all. And when I say all of these things sell out in 15 minutes, like, when I got on Twitter, I saw people saying like, I was in line to check out and they put me out, or it sold out in 15 minutes, and I was like, dang, that's how I knew it was gonna be a good day. I knew it was gonna be a good day because of that. So yeah, I would definitely say, if you want to try for a Telfar again, or try for a Telfar for the first time, get shop pay, put your information in, pre-save it, and that will definitely help you. Like, if not, then you're probably just like, you probably came too late, because like I said, you need to be up early and ready, because this is not, to me, the website wasn't functioning like a sneaker release. Like, yeah, for a sneaker release, at the time it's supposed to release, it probably won't even load at 9 o'clock if that's the time. So I feel like this operated so much better. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like I said, make sure y'all cop y'all a Telfar bag, because baby, like, and I paid good money for this bag, so in every picture y'all gonna see this bag if I have it. Like, you see me, y'all gonna see it. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know if you tried this and it works for you, or what you've tried that can help other people. And then don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join the Kid Mafia, because I'm lit, y'all lit, so we can be lit together, period. And I will see you guys in my next video.